Like you can be really whatever you want to be in this dance. A lot of the things that we try, like we don't really know what is in our brain, but then you just put it to the floor and something magical will come out.
Just try out anything and step out of comfort and do anything you like.
The first time we met and also during our sessions together, and you were so quiet and shy, and then it's just so heartening to see that the changing of personality. It's really impressive and good job.
The confidence level has increased by a lot.
So the first thing is really the event self-discipline. So when he's told to do a particular move, you can close your eyes and turn behind and know that you train it very hard. I think that's really a trait that will help you to go fast. All sorts of crazy stuff that we tried together. There was not one in which he said no or I'm scared. And that kind of risk appetite is really what will be essential because the world is a scary place.
As mentors, we're very thankful that you trust us and you open up to us. I know trusting people is not easy, especially as someone younger. Right? It's not easy to open up to a big group of strangers, and to come out and dance is even more scary. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Being able to endure through what hopefully will be things that we will carry through for the rest of our life.